Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down 10 of the best Swiss watches that deliver outstanding quality, timeless design, and impressive mechanical craftsmanship, all without asking you to sell a kidney. From elegant dress watches to serious dive watches and sporty chronographs, these timepieces prove that Swiss watchmaking excellence doesn't have to come with a six-figure price tag. Whether you're a first-time watch buyer or a seasoned collector looking to add a versatile piece to your wrist, these watches offer incredible value and genuine heritage. Let's get into it. Number 10. Tissot PRX Powermatic 80. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 is one of the most stylish value propositions in Swiss watchmaking today. Inspired by a classic 1970s design, it features a sleek integrated bracelet that flows seamlessly into the cushion-shaped case, a look that rivals watches costing several times more. At its core beats the Powermatic 80 movement, offering an impressive 80-hour power reserve and silicone hairspring for improved accuracy and resistance to magnetic fields. The slim profile and clean sunburst dial make it equally at home with a suit or casual weekend wear. Whether you choose the classic three-hand version or the date variant, the PRX delivers genuine Swiss precision with a strong visual identity that stands out on the wrist. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 retails for approximately $675 USD. Number 9. Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic. The Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic is a direct descendant of the watches worn by American military personnel during World War II, and that heritage shows in every detail. Built around the proven ETA 28-on or H10 movement, depending on the variant, it delivers up to 80 hours of power reserve with reliable Swiss accuracy. The bold, highly legible dial with its Arabic numerals and tritium-inspired lume plots is instantly readable in any lighting condition. A domed crystal, crown-at-3 positioning, and robust 38mm or 42mm steel case give it a rugged, no-nonsense character that works as well on a hike as it does at the office. For lovers of military history, tool watches, and clean, vintage-inspired design, the Khaki Field Automatic is essentially perfect. The Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic retails for approximately $495 USD. Number 8. Certina DS Action Diver. The Certina DS Action Diver is the brand's flagship underwater tool watch, and it earns that title with ease. Water-resistant to 300 meters, it features Certina's patented double security system, a reinforced case back and crown protection concept that has been a hallmark of the brand since 1959. The unidirectional rotating bezel, superluminova-coated hands, and bold dial ensure reliable readability beneath the surface. Inside beats the proven ETA 28242 movement, offering solid accuracy and easy serviceability. Whether you're a certified diver or simply want a capable, no-excuses sports watch with serious water resistance, the DS Action Diver delivers on every front. It's honest, rugged, and built to last. The Certina DS Action Diver retails for approximately $700 USD. Number 7. Orus Aquis Date. The Orus Aquis Date is one of the most respected dive watches in the mid-range Swiss market, and its reputation is completely earned. Built to a 300-meter water-resistant standard, it features a unidirectional ceramic insert bezel, a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, and a distinctive aqua dial that practically glows with depth and character. The Aquis uses Orus's reliable in-house or ETA-based automatic movement, ensuring accurate and dependable timekeeping. What sets it apart from the competition is its combination of genuine dive tool credibility and refined, luxurious aesthetics. It looks just as comfortable at a dinner table as it does underwater. Orus also maintains its independent status as one of the few remaining truly independent Swiss watch manufacturers, adding extra soul to every piece. The Orus Aquis Date retails for approximately $1,600 USD. Number 6. Mido Ocean Star Decompression Timer. The Mido Ocean Star Decompression Timer is a fascinating and highly functional dive watch with a unique trick up its sleeve. Beyond its robust 600-meter water resistance and Swiss automatic movement, it features a built-in decompression table on the rotating bezel, a genuine technical tool that serious divers can use to manage their ascent safely. The distinctive design draws inspiration from oceanic architecture, with flowing case lines and a beautifully finished dial that balances legibility with style. Mido, as a Swatch Group brand, delivers exceptional quality control and movement reliability. For anyone who wants a dive watch with genuine underwater credentials and a touch of engineering curiosity, the Ocean Star Decompression Timer is a deeply satisfying choice. The Mido Ocean Star Decompression Timer retails for approximately $1,300 USD. Number 5. Longines Hydro Conquest. The Longines Hydro Conquest is where Swiss elegance meets serious dive watch performance, and the combination is absolutely compelling. Water-resistant to 300 meters, it features a ceramic or aluminum unidirectional rotating bezel, a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, and a beautifully proportioned case that sits perfectly on the wrist. Powered by the ETA 2892 or Longines Caliber L888 self-winding movement, it offers excellent accuracy and up to 72 hours of power reserve depending on the variant. The dial design, available in a range of striking colorways, balances sporty readability with the refined Longines signature that speaks to the brand's 188 years of watchmaking heritage. At its price point, the Hydro Conquest is genuinely hard to beat for quality, finishing, and overall wrist presence. The Longines Hydro Conquest retails for approximately $1,400 USD. Number 4. Roto Captain Cook. The Roto Captain Cook is a vintage-inspired diver reborn for the modern age, and its comeback has been nothing short of triumphant. Originally launched in 1962, the reissued Captain Cook stays faithful to its nautical heritage with a distinctive cushion-shaped case, rotating dive bezel, and a bold dial that exudes mid-century character. Roto's signature use of high-tech ceramic and scratch-resistant materials gives it a modern edge while preserving the classic silhouette. Water-resistant to 300 meters, powered by an ETA-based automatic movement, and available on a variety of straps and bracelets, the Captain Cook offers tremendous versatility. It's a watch for someone who wants true Swiss quality, a design story worth telling, and a wrist presence that turns heads for all the right reasons. The Roto Captain Cook retails for approximately $1,950 USD. Number 3. Hamilton Intramatic Auto Chrono. The Hamilton Intramatic Auto Chrono is a love letter to 1960s American-Swiss design, and it's one of the most beautiful chronographs you can buy under $2,000. Drawing on Hamilton's rich heritage of pilot and sport watches, it features a classic 2-register layout, a pulsometer or tachymeter scale, and a wonderfully balanced dial that rewards close inspection. Inside beats a column wheel chronograph movement, a sign of mechanical sophistication that you'd typically expect in watches costing far more. The case size hits the sweet spot at 42 meters, giving it a bold but wearable presence. Available in a range of colorways including a stunning pandas and reverse pandas, every variant is a collectible in its own right. For the watch enthusiast who wants a true mechanical chronograph with soul and history, the Intramatic is a must-have. The Hamilton Intramatic Auto Chrono retails for approximately $1,295 USD. Number 2. Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 Solissium. The Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 Solissium is arguably the finest dress watch value in all of Swiss watchmaking. Designed for the modern professional, it combines a slim, elegant 40mm case with a beautiful sunray brushed dial and the remarkable Powermatic 80 movement featuring a silicone hairspring, a material typically reserved for watches at a much higher price tier. That silicone hairspring delivers superior resistance to temperature variations and magnetism, significantly improving long-term accuracy and reducing service intervals. The integrated bracelet design and refined case finishing give it a premium, high-end feel that dramatically punches above its price point. Whether you're heading into a boardroom or attending a formal event, the Tissot Gentleman makes an understated but deeply confident statement. The Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 Solissium retails for approximately $875 USD. Number 1. Orus Divers 65. The Orus Diver 65, a watch that captures the golden age of dive watch design and delivers it with flawless modern execution. Inspired by the original Orus Diver from 1965, it features a cushion-shaped case, a domed crystal, a wonderfully tactile bezel, and a vintage-style dial that radiates warmth and character. Available in an enormous range of colorways, materials, and limited editions, there is a 65 for every personality and wrist size. Beneath the classic exterior beats a reliable automatic movement with 38 hours of power reserve, and the watch maintains a solid 100-meter water resistance. What truly elevates the 65 above all competition is the complete package: heritage, emotion, finishing quality, and independent brand identity, all at a price that remains genuinely accessible. It's not just a great watch for the money. It's simply a great watch, full stop. The Orus Diver 65 retails for approximately $1,700 USD.